Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new series. Today, we are in a doctor's office. This is a very important situation for English learners. I am not feeling very well today, so I have come to see the doctor. Watch how I describe my pain and symptoms. Let's listen.
Good morning. I see on your chart that you are not feeling your best today. What brings you in?
Good morning, doctor. Yes, I have been feeling quite under the weather for the last 2 days.
I am sorry to hear that. Can you describe exactly what is bothering you?
Well, mostly I have a terrible headache. It feels like a lot of pressure right behind my eyes.
I see. Does the headache come and go, or is it constant pain?
It is constant. It hasn't stopped since yesterday morning. I also feel very tired.
Fatigue is common when the body is fighting something. Do you have a sore throat or a cough?
I do have a sore throat. It hurts when I swallow food or water.
Okay. And have you noticed if you have a fever? Have you taken your temperature?
I think I might have a slight fever. I feel hot and then cold, but I haven't measured it yet.
Chills and hot flashes usually indicate a fever. Are you experiencing any body aches?
Yes, my back and my legs ache a little bit. I just want to stay in bed.
That sounds like classic flu symptoms. Have you been around anyone else who was sick recently?
Actually, yes. My coworker was coughing a lot earlier this week.
That is likely where you caught it. We need to check your vitals to be sure. Are you allergic to any medications?
No, I do not have any known allergies to medicine.
That is good to know. Before we proceed, I want to take a look at your throat. Could you please open your mouth wide?
Did you hear the phrase, under the weather? This is a very common idiom that means feeling sick or sad. I also described my symptoms using words like constant and pressure. In the next video, the doctor will ask about my medical history. See you there. Welcome back. Now that the doctor knows my symptoms, he needs to ask about my history. Doctors often ask about past illnesses, lifestyle, and medications. Listen carefully to how I answer his questions about my health habits.
All right, before I do the physical exam, I have a few routine questions. Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
I do not smoke. I drink a glass of wine occasionally, but rarely.
Okay, occasional is fine. Are you currently taking any prescription medications or supplements?
I take a multivitamin every morning, but nothing else. Oh, and I took some aspirin this morning for the headache.
Thank you for telling me. It is important that I know about the aspirin. Have you had any major surgeries in the past?
No, I have never had surgery. I have been generally quite healthy until now.
That is great. How is your sleep schedule usually? Do you get enough rest?
To be honest, I have been very stressed at work lately. I only sleep about 5 hours a night.
Stress and lack of sleep can definitely weaken your immune system. That makes you more likely to catch a virus.
I suspected that. I have been working late almost every night.
We will need to work on that. Does anyone in your immediate family have a history of chronic illnesses?
My father has high blood pressure, but my mother is very healthy.
Okay, we will keep an eye on your blood pressure today too, just in case. Do you exercise regularly?
I try to go for a jog on weekends, but I haven't gone in weeks because I'm so busy.
Consistency is key. Even a short walk helps. Okay, I think I have all the background information I need.
Good. I hope this helps you figure out what is wrong with me.
It definitely helps give me a complete picture. Now let's move on to the physical checkup so we can confirm the diagnosis.
Did you notice the word occasional? It means something that happens sometimes, but not often. Also, pay attention to how the doctor connected my stress to my illness. In the next video, the doctor will give me a checkup. Stay tuned. Hello again. In this part, the doctor will give me a physical examination. This involves checking my throat, my breathing, and my temperature. Notice the imperative verbs. These are command words like open, breathe, and turn. Let's watch.
All right, let's start with your throat. Please open your mouth wide and say ah.
Ah. Is it very red?
Yes, the tonsils are quite swollen and red. That explains the pain when you swallow. Now, I need to check your ears.
Okay, I will turn my head to the side.
Perfect. Your ears look clear. No infection there. Now, please sit up straight. I'm going to listen to your lungs.
Like this? Should I breathe normally or deeply?
Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. One more time, please. Deep breath in.
Is my breathing clear?
Your lungs sound clear, which is great news. It means the infection is mostly in your throat, not your chest.
That is a relief. I was worried about bronchitis.
No, it doesn't sound like bronchitis. Finally, let's just check your temperature quickly with this thermometer.
Okay.
It is reading 38.5 degrees Celsius. You definitely have a mild fever.
I felt warm. So what is the verdict, doctor?
Based on the exam and your symptoms, I'm confident I know what's going on. Let me explain the diagnosis.
Did you hear how he gave instructions? Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. These are very useful phrases for medical situations. Next, the doctor will tell me exactly what illness I have and give me a prescription. See you in the next video. Hello. Now we are at the diagnosis stage. The doctor will tell me what illness I have. Listen for words like viral, infection, and prescription. He will also tell me what medicine to buy at the pharmacy. Let's listen.
So, you have a pretty severe viral throat infection. It is not strep throat, which is good, but it is very contagious.
Viral? Does that mean antibiotics won't work?
Exactly. Antibiotics kill bacteria, not viruses. Taking them now wouldn't help you. You just need to let the virus run its course.
I understand. So do I just have to wait for it to go away?
Mostly, yes. However, I am going to write you a prescription to help manage the symptoms and the pain.
What kind of medicine is it?
I am prescribing a stronger anti-inflammatory for your throat pain and the headache. It will make you feel much more comfortable.
Okay, that sounds good. How often should I take it?
Take one pill every 6 hours, but only after eating. Do not take it on an empty stomach.
Understood. Every 6 hours after food. Anything else?
Yes, I also recommend a throat spray. You can buy that over the counter. You don't need a prescription for it.
Over the counter means I can just pick it up off the shelf, right?
Correct. It will numb your throat so you can eat and drink more easily.
Okay, I will go to the pharmacy right after this. How long will this last?
With rest and this medication, the worst symptoms should be gone in 3 to 4 days.
3 or 4 days. Okay, I can handle that.
But you need to be careful about your activity levels during those days. Let's talk about what you should do at home.
Did you hear the term over-the-counter? This is essential vocabulary. It refers to medicine you can buy without a doctor's note. In the final video, the doctor will give me some lifestyle advice to get better quickly. See you there. Welcome to the final part. Medicine is important, but rest is even more important. The doctor is going to give me a doctor's note for work and tell me how to take care of myself at home. Let's listen to his final advice.
Now, the most important thing for you right now is hydration. You need to drink plenty of fluids.
Water and tea?
Warm tea with honey is excellent for your throat. And avoid caffeine if you can. It dehydrates you.
No coffee. That will be hard, but I will try. What about work?
You absolutely cannot go to work for the next 2 days. You are contagious and you need rest.
My boss will need proof. Can you write me a sick note?
Of course, I am writing a medical excuse note for today, Thursday, and Friday. You can return on Monday if you feel better.
Thank you. That takes a big weight off my shoulders. I can actually relax.
Stress delays healing. Go home, close the curtains, and sleep as much as you can.
I will do exactly that. Thank you for your help, doctor.
You're welcome. If your fever gets higher or you don't feel better by Saturday, call the office immediately.
I will keep an eye on it. Have a good day.
Take care and get well soon. Goodbye.
And that is the end of our lesson. You learned how to describe symptoms, ask for a sick note, and understand a prescription. These are vital skills for living in an English-speaking country. Don't forget to practice the phrases we used today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.